Welcome to a demonstration of the quality management system from DELMIAworks. We will outline the way in which a manufacturer can best respond to a product recall, as well as how the system helps to mitigate this from happening in the first place. For this scenario, let's take a look at Maestro Manufacturing. Maestro implemented DELMIAworks ERP earlier this year, and they received word from a customer that every unit of a specific item was defective from a shipment made 18 months ago. Parts were beginning to degrade at an accelerated rate due to an inferior hardening additive, compromising the strength and rigidity they should possess. It's determined by both the customer and Maestro Manufacturing that this defective raw material is to blame for the issue. Had the issue been with a given lot number, the customer service representative at the manufacturer could use the lot tracking tool within their DELMIAworks ERP system to not only locate the lot to which the customer is referencing, but also all other shipments associated with the given lot number. However, since this situation deals with a specific raw material, Maestro can use track and trace within the system to determine every instance where the material is used. It's noted that since it is used in one other inventory item, a recall must take place. In this example, the other affected item is located in finished goods inventory, though some units have been shipped to customers. For the effective items in finished goods, they are ultimately quarantined from the rest of the inventory and scrapped. Users at Maestro can quickly and easily find the customers who are shipped the faulty parts while offering a way to remedy the situation, such as a credit memo to their account or by shipping replacement parts. This allows the manufacturer to be proactive in correcting the situation with their customers, helping to maintain trust between the two companies. The RMA functionality within DELMIAworks can be used in order to accommodate these few affected customers. Maestro has a few choices as to how they'd like to handle the recall. They can choose to scrap the parts entirely, repair them, or receive them back into a non-conform inventory location to be reworked at a later time. In this scenario, we are dealing with parts made with a defective raw material, meaning they can't be reworked and will be scrapped instead. Maestro can then use MRB to reformulate the part, being sure to use an alternative raw material in order to prevent another recall situation from occurring in the future. Ever since Maestro Manufacturing has implemented DELMIAworks on the shop floor, they've been able to ensure the highest quality parts are being produced and shipped to customers by utilizing the workflows present in MRB. This module tracks every detail associated with formulating parts, including approvals, determining accurate labor and material costing, and so on. Once products have been appropriately engineered in MRB and production has begun, Maestro uses the various quality modules within their DELMIAworks ERP to ensure the highest quality parts are being produced on the plant floor. This includes maintaining operational document revision history within document control, managing corrective action activities, and engineering change orders within CAR and ECO, respectively, and conducting inspections of parts coming off the line within quick inspections. Users can even track product and process quality in real time, utilizing the robust statistical process control functionality, contributing to a culture of continuous improvement throughout their manufacturing operation. We have just seen the power of the fully integrated DELMIAworks manufacturing ERP system at work for efficiently responding to a product recall in a way that best serves your customers. From using track and trace to determine which items utilized a faulty raw material, RMAs for conducting returns, and MRB to track every step associated with reworking orders, the system provides manufacturers every opportunity to keep their customers happy in situations that require extra care and consideration.